Okay, okay, I will show you a trick how to properly cut this this plywood. It's a oak plywood. You know, even if you have a new blade, you have to cut it properly. Like if you just cut it, if you just cut it like that, you know, it will split like that. But you need, this is the way I do it, to avoid splitting like that. Start from there and push it down slowly. And then I will pull it towards me. So see, even then you will see a small split there because that is already mitered, and that a minor split like that is acceptable. You see, it's a clean cut, because if you just cut it, you know, just cut it normally, normal you know, cutting from here. If you start from here towards there, that even if you go slowly, you will see some split. Let's try. It did not do that, but you know, but sometimes when there's when the plywood is not solid, that will happen. Like this one is solid, but sometimes plywood are not, there is hollow. That's it will happen, it will split like that part. You see that? Because plywood, they made it like that. Okay.